Respected judges, honorable teachers, and all my dear friends, a very warm and wonderful afternoon to everyone present here. I am Jivcha and he's Mr.
Yes, Jane,
Today we are here to speak about something that is not only important,
and it is powerful.
preparing today's students to become tomorrow's leaders. Let me start with a simple question. How many of you wake up without your parents' scoldings? How many of you start your homeworks without your parents' scoldings? Here is where leadership begins. Let me explain how. A leadership is not at all a big title. It is all about the preparation. Even though if we don't have a preparation, we will be like a plants not getting the water. Respected judges, if you look at us, you may see a persons who were holding these PowerPoint presentations. But if you look at us in deeper, you may see a persons like IAS officer or doctor or a police or someone who may take your chase. But don't worry, judges, it's not today. A leader is not built in an overnight. A leader is built day by day.
Dear friends, who want to become successful in life, please raise your hands. In the real situation, when teacher tell students there is a press test now, we all become philosophers and we tell, marks are just numbers. Life is about happiness. If the marks are create as leaders, then the calculators would become the prime ministers of our country. Leadership depends on a mindset. So, let us take an example of APJ Abdul Kalam. He was born in a small city in Tamil Nadu. He sell newspapers when he is a child. What if he think like this? Oh, this rocket science is too difficult. Let me just scroll the rails. If he did, the India would be still be buffering. But he prepared with his dedication and discipline. That preparation made him the president of our India.
Preparation does not mean reading for the examinations and getting more marks in the academics. It is all about how we gain leadership and responsibility and commitment. And also, for example, if there are a group of people who are going to present a project, one will work very hard and another person will be researching the topic and another one will become the head of the moral support and he will say, bro, you are doing great, but he won't do nothing. So in your life you may face such kind of situation, but this also teaches us leadership. A true leader will not escape from work. He will take all the responsibilities.
Look at the CEO of Google, Sundar Pichai. He was one of the simple students in India. But we type a question in the Google again, exit from the Google because the answer was there too long. Leadership is not saying that I am the boss. Leadership is saying that let us grow together and yes, discipline matter. We make a beautiful timetable at night like a future prime minister for the day too. Even the timetable also need the motivation.
Tomorrow world will be full of challenges. Technology is growing day by day. Even AI cannot solve a mystery that why we learn everything in the examinations and our homes, but why we forgot in the examination hall. This is the biggest mystery even AI cannot solve. And even technology may grow, but human values always matter. Look at Ratan Tata. He is not only succeed in his business, but also in his moral values. If the moral values are the foundation, then the knowledge would become the building. If the foundation only not good, then how the building would be stable? If you get 100 out of 100 marks for your academics, but if you get 200 out of 100 marks for your bad behavior, then the leadership will run away. And leadership is the luckiest thing in your life. It means it just come to the luckiest ones. I think everyone here are the luckiest ones.
Yeah, it's true, sir. So, leadership starts from today. When you speak confidently, when you respect your teachers, and when you help the friends, and when you take all the responsibilities. Leadership is very simple. When teacher tell who make the noise, just don't blame your friend immediately. So, that is courage and that is leadership.
A classroom is not a room full of consisting the benches and the students. It is a room where the future is growing. It is a room where the new people are going to come. So today's learners are the tomorrow's change makers, and a chalk which is in your hand may changes into a pen which writes the history tomorrow. And also everyone here are the learners. Learn everything today new and come like a change maker tomorrow. Thank you.
Thank you.